Welcome, in front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. You can install applications on this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the other way is to do it through the phone application. And I recommend the second option, the phone application, because it's more convenient, but I'm gonna show you the both ways. Another thing to mention is that the devices need to be paired together, so your watch needs to be paired with a phone, and also you need to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network to download the applications. And to connect your watch to Wi-Fi network, you need to open the Garmin Connect application, tap on More, Garmin Devices, select your watch, then tap on Connectivity, Wi-Fi, and then My Networks, Add Network. It will start searching for the networks nearby, find the network you want to connect to, and then tap here and enter the password. And then tap on Done. Tap on Connect. And once it says connection successful, you should have the internet access on your watch. Okay, so once your watch is paired with a phone and it has internet access, you can go to your watch, open the activities menu on it by pressing the start button or the favorites, and scroll down and look for the Connect IQ Store, and then tap on it. And here we have options like browse, must-haves, and install. You can check the must-haves, basically it's like recommended applications, or tap on browse and search for something more specific. For example, hot and fresh apps. And let's say I want to install Google Maps. I'm gonna tap on it, tap on install, and let's wait until it's done installing. This might take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you when it's done. Okay, and after some time, as you can see, we have the information that the Google Maps has been installed. And if you go back to the watch face and then open the activities and scroll down, the icon for the Google Maps should appear right here, and you can tap on it to open the Google Maps, and the Google Maps of course will open on your phone instead of on your watch. Okay, and to install applications through the phone application, which is a lot more convenient and I would say more clear, because you can see everything a bit more clearly in my opinion. To do it, you need to go to the phone that is paired with your watch and install the application called Connect IQ Store. So open the App Store. I'm gonna use Google Play Store because I'm using Android phone, but you can use App Store on iPhone. And type in IQ Store. And tap on search. And here we have the Connect IQ Store. Let's install it. And after it's done installing, you can tap on Open, tap on Welcome, continue with the account, or you can select different account if you want to, of course. Check the box, tap Next, and once the store is done loading, oh, never mind, we need to also allow the required permissions. Okay, and now the store will load, and you have different categories and stuff like that. So look for something you want to install. I'm just gonna tap on search and then select category called apps, which will basically filter my search for the apps only. Now, let's say I want to install something like, I don't know, maybe Windy. Then tap on install, of course. In the app, you can see more infos about the applications themselves. As you can see, we have the description, what's new. You can tap on compatible devices to check if your device is compatible. Basically, you need to find it on the list. and it should be somewhere here. Here we have it. What else? You can also see reviews, so that's why I say it's more clear in the application. It's a lot more user-friendly, or I would call it like that. Okay, so once you decide to install the application, you can tap on install, allow required permission, and wait. It will say that it's in queue, and sometimes it might take some time, or rather more than a minute or so, or quite a while actually, because something might be in the queue before the application itself. So I recommend patience, but after some time you should see this pop-up that the application is done installing, also on the watch. And if you open the activities again, you will see the app right here at the bottom of the screen, or rather menu rather, and you can tap on it to open the app. This one requires something else for it to work. It's probably some permissions. Or maybe you need to have the app also installed on your phone, but I'm not sure about that. Okay, but basically the application got installed, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.